on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alyssa Morrison, or the Alyssa Morrison if you are new here, and today I'm sharing with you my self-care nighttime skincare routine when I go the extra mile and really treat my skin. Can you say hi to your fellow friends? Hello. Say hi. Before we jump into today's video, make sure that you are subscribed by clicking make sure that you are subscribed by clicking that red button down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more from me. And what else do I have to say? A little spiel. Oh, all of the products that I will be mentioning will be listed in the down bar below if you want to check them out. And let's just jump right in. So the first step in the routine is just to pull my hair up. Get it all out of the way. Start off, I'm using the SkinCeuticals LA cleanser. This is my all-time favorite cleanser. I've gone through multiple bottles of this because it does such a great job at removing all your makeup, but it also has active ingredients, so it's giving you like a very light exfoliation. I like to double cleanse with this when I am wearing a full face of makeup. If I'm not wearing any makeup, I'll just do one cleanse. So I like to start off with clean hands, and then I like to emulsify the cleanser before I even apply it to my face. So I get some in my hand and I get it wet, and I just really start to work it into a lather before I apply it to my skin. I recently discovered that I am very allergic to a new mascara that I'm trying, so I have like really red eyes right now. I also would not recommend using the LA cleanser around your eyes. Since it is an active cleanser, you want to avoid that eye area. Tonight I am going to be using a retinol, and I switch off between a prescription tretinoin and the ordinary Gen Active Retinoid 2% emulsion. I am so impressed by this, you guys. The price point is phenomenal. It really embodies all of the qualities that I'm looking for in a retinol that I would need a prescription for. So I absolutely love this. If you guys are new to retinol, I'm going to show you how to use a retinol so that it will minimize the irritation. So what I'm going to do is actually apply my moisturizer first before my retinol, and this way it's just going to provide a barrier and not have as drying or harsh effects of the retinol while still getting all of the benefits. So I'm using the Proteiny Polypeptide Cream by Drunk Elephant. I absolutely love this moisturizer. I also love the packaging, and how it comes out is just 10 out of 10. So I apply moisturizer like this. And this is actually how a dermatologist recommended me to apply retinol, just because I have really dry skin. I'm taking the retinol and I'm doing just, you don't want to touch your skin to the dropper, so I'm like leaving it kind of far above. Just a few drops. Just rub it in like so, very gently. I like to spend a few extra minutes when I have them really focusing on some facial massage. I feel like it really adds to your skincare routine. It makes you feel like you're taking some time for yourself. Anytime you are working with facial massage or lymphatic drainage, you always want to make sure that you are bringing it down your neck. This will drain any of that excess fluid. I really like to do facial massage in the morning to kind of depuff, but it always feels nice and just helps your skincare sink in better. All right, so now that that is all applied, I am going straight into a facial oil, and I've been loving the ordinary 100% cold press Moroccan argan oil. I just like to leave a layer of this over my skin. I usually switch off between an argan oil and a rosehip seed oil, but I really like argan oil because lately I feel like it's a little bit lighter and it soaks in just a little bit quicker. And now that we look like a little glazed donut, we are moving into eye care. I haven't been using a specific eye cream lately. I noticed that I was getting a lot more little like milia bumps just because I was using too heavy of products. Again, my eyes are really sensitive right now, so I'm using the Pixi Beautify. They are eye patches and they're brightening, and they actually are incredible. I use these pretty often, but especially for like a little self-care routine where I'm taking the extra steps. Feel them out with this little spatula, but I honestly just use my hands. I like to put them on the big side. Goes under my eye. and then the smaller side goes out. I don't know if this is the correct way or if it's opposite, but I just love them. They feel so good. They're so cooling. They really do brighten up that under eye, and they just feel luxurious. I feel like I'm treating myself every time I use these. I was on Accutane for a while. My lips have always been dry since then. The Laneige the Laneige lip sleeping mask has been my savior. If I don't have this around, I do really like Aquaphor, but this just does a remarkable job, and there's nothing else like it. And then the final step is to use final step is to use my eyelash and brow serum. This is the Grande Brow Serum, and I don't use this all of the time, but I do really like it. So I'm just going to very gently put that in some of the sparse areas. I feel like I am noticing some sparse areas lately in my brow. I also use the Grande Lash for my eyelashes, and I just put that on as if I was applying eyeliner. As always, all of the products that I used today will be linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and we'll see you next week.